Step into a world where modern sophistication meets the effortless ease of single-story living. Welcome to a property that is truly the rarest find in Ayala Alabang, a meticulously reimagined bungalow that redefines what it means to be renovated to new. As we ascend these architectural steps, notice the symphony of natural stone textures and clean lines that set the stage for the luxury waiting behind those heavy wooden doors. Welcome home. Immediately, you are greeted by an expansive, sun-drenched open layout where the boundaries between cooking, dining, and relaxing simply disappear. This isn't just a kitchen, it's a culinary stage. Anchored by a massive Waterfall marble island and outfitted with a full suite of premium SMEG appliances, from the professional-grade stove to the integrated refrigerator, this space is designed for the host who demands both style and substance. As we move through the gallery-like hallway, feel the intentionality in every finish. The warmth of the fluted wooden doors provides a rhythmic transition into the private quarters of this 340 square meter floor plan. Here, every corner benefits from the whisper-quiet comfort of all-new Daikin inverter climate control. Retreat into the first of 4 stunning bedrooms. Notice how the design philosophy prioritizes your connection to the outdoors. With floor-to-ceiling glass and direct access to the water, waking up here feels like a permanent staycation. Each room features custom-built cabinetry with textured accents, ensuring your sanctuary remains as organized as it is beautiful. The master suite is a masterclass in tranquility. Imagine lazy mornings where the sunlight dances across the high-end wood laminate flooring, and the blue hues of your private pool are the first thing you see. It is expansive, intimately private, and perfectly climate-controlled. A true escape from the bustle of Metro Manila. Step outside into your personal oasis. This isn't just a backyard, it's a curated tropical retreat. Wrapped in lush greenery and bird of paradise plants, the swimming pool offers the perfect backdrop for quiet South afternoons or sophisticated evening soirees. The seamless transition between the indoor living area and this poolside deck is the hallmark of elite bungalow design. From the curb, the presence of this home is undeniable. It sits on a generous 347 square meter lot, offering a commanding yet understated profile in the heart of one of the country's most prestigious communities. Every stone, every light fixture, and every pane of glass has been replaced and upgraded to ensure a brand new experience for its next owner. Whether it's the dedicated service quarters for your staff, the designer powder room for your guests, or the sheer luxury of having a home where no stairs stand between you and total convenience, this property is a complete transformation. It's an investment in a lifestyle that is increasingly hard to find. High-end luxury on a single level, ready for immediate occupancy. This is more than a house. It's your next chapter in Ayala Alabang. For more information and to schedule a private and discreet VIP viewing for this home, you may get in touch with us via our contact details in the description. Go to our channel for full-length educational and data-driven videos on Southern Metro Manila real estate. Visit our website for a list of various curated properties in the South. Email us if you would like to buy, sell, or lease properties. Till then, we'll see you in the South.